Click on New Survey. Name your survey. Click on Create Survey. Click on Add Question to start creating your survey. Here, you can select from over 50+ question types. Let's add a Net Promoter Score question. Customize your survey questions. Let's add another question. Select a single row text type question. Customize the question text. Continue building your survey. All active users will show up here. User editing a question will be displayed here. See survey versions and change logs, click on Tools. Click on Survey Versions. Here you will see all change logs. Click to see updates. Select any version to restore. Click on Restore Version. Click on Yes to restore the selected version. By default, the survey will be in draft mode. Once ready for data collection, click on Publish to make the survey live. Click Yes to confirm. Once a survey is published, live survey link will be available, and you can start collecting data.